Welcome to Amazing Facts Day channel. Today we will talk about another amazing fact about humans. If you like this video, please, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. The fact that humans are born with only two innate fears, namely the fear of falling and the fear of loud noises, is a fascinating aspect of human psychology. It suggests that our fear responses to other stimuli are learned through our experiences and interactions with the world around us. Research in developmental psychology supports this notion. Studies have shown that infants as young as 6 months old display a fear response when exposed to sudden loud noises or experiences that simulate falling, such as being placed on an unsteady surface. These fear responses are considered to be instinctual and are believed to have evolved as a survival mechanism. However, other fears that we develop over time, such as the fear of spiders, heights, or public speaking, are not inherent at birth. They are acquired through a process known as conditioning, where we learn to associate certain stimuli with fear or danger based on our experiences. For example, if a person had a traumatic experience with a dog in their childhood, they may develop a fear of dogs later in life. It is important to note that while some fears are learned, they can still have a significant impact on our lives. Phobias and anxiety disorders, which are characterized by intense and irrational fears, can cause distress and interfere with daily functioning. In such cases, seeking professional help from a therapist or psychologist can be beneficial in addressing and managing these fears. Understanding that many fears are learned and not innate can be empowering. It means that we have the capacity to unlearn or reframe our fears through exposure therapy, cognitive behavioral techniques, and gradual desensitization. By actively confronting our fears and challenging the negative beliefs associated with them, we can overcome them and live more fulfilling lives. Overall, the fact that humans are born with only two innate fears highlights the malleability of our fears and the potential for personal growth and development. It reminds us that fear is a learned response and that we have the ability to reshape our fears and become more resilient. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.